Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use the stopwatch mode on your Casio G-Shock GW-7900 watch. This is module 3193 from Casio. This video should also work for you if you have the module 3200, which is basically the exact same watch, just a different color option. So to get to our stopwatch, we're going to be using the mode button. It's the bottom button on the left hand side. We're going to press it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each time you press it, it's taking you to a different mode. The stopwatch mode is the 4th mode from your time mode. Should get to a screen that looks like this. It says STW in the top left corner, and then you should have some values at all 0, assuming you didn't have the stopwatch running in the background. The stopwatch limitation on this watch is 23 hours, 59 minutes, and 59.99 seconds. This top indicator up here, this 0H, is the number of hours that have passed that your stopwatch has been running. So if we started the stopwatch and it runs for an hour, this would go to 1H. After 2 hours, it would go to 2H, and it would continue until it hits 24 hours. Once 24 hours hits, it basically resets back to 0 and the stopwatch starts over. So, pretty basic stuff. The bottom right button is going to be your start, stop or pause, and your resume button. While it is stopped, you can press the top right button to reset it back to 0. We'll go ahead and start it. You do not have to stay in the stopwatch mode. So I want to time something, but I also want to go look at something else or get back to my main time screen. I can do that. The stopwatch is going to be running in the background. The negative is that the only way I can see the stopwatch value is to go back to the stopwatch mode. It's not that big of a deal. Again, it's 4 presses of the mode button. We're back to our stopwatch, and we can see that it's been running even when we were not in the stopwatch mode. I'm going to go ahead and stop it. Actually, let's go ahead and talk about the split time. Let's say you want to record a split time. While it is running, all you're going to do is basically press the top right button, and there's your split. You can see the SPL. When you want to release the split, you basically press it again, and you successfully release your split. I'm going to go ahead and stop it. Once it's stopped again, it's not a split, it's a reset. If you're trying to record 2 finishes, maybe you're a coach, you're trying to record some of your track athletes, you're going to start your stopwatch. Once your first runner finishes, you're going to press the top right button, which is your split. So that's the time of my first runner. My second runner is still running. The stopwatch is still running in the background. When my second runner finishes, I'm going to press the stop button. Now, I'm going to press the split to look at the time of my second runner. Here's my first runner. There's the time of my second runner. And then now that I've looked at the time of my second runner, I'm going to press it again to clear the stopwatch. I hope that makes sense. It's basically how you can record 2 different finishes using the one stopwatch. As always, once you're done, you're going to simply press the mode button 2 times. One time will take you to your countdown timer mode. Press it again, it takes you back to your timekeeping mode. And that's pretty much all there is to show you on the stopwatch functionality on your Casio G-Shock GW-7900. I hope the video helps. Thanks for watching.